Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: ladder rails straight, rungs intact, and pulleys clear. Once done, position the base at the correct 4 distance, 1 unit out for every 4 units up, so the ladder leans safely. Make sure feet contact the ground flat and spreaders or stabilizers are engaged. This prevents shifting when you extend. You should also lock any base devices and attach safety straps early, because a solid foundation is how you avoid problems during the next steps. You unlock the release clips and begin to raise the fly section, keeping hands clear of pinch points and using slow, controlled motion. Quick jerks can jam pulleys. Once the fly is near each rung, align the guides so pawls seat squarely. You'll hear distinct clicks as each lock engages. Make sure to extend in small increments and check each lock before continuing. This staged approach preserves balance. Also have someone hold the base steady, because controlled lifting reduces wobble and lock misalignment. You finish by fully seating every lock and tying off the ladder to a secure anchor. This prevents downhill or side movement. Once tied, perform a gradual weight test near the midpoint. Apply your weight slowly and listen for creaks or shifts. If anything slips, lower the ladder immediately, reseat the locks, clear debris, and lightly lubricate pulleys where metal contacts metal. Do not over-lubricate. Then raise and retest. This decisive troubleshooting step fixes most issues before you climb for real.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.